Hello guys, for this part of the activity you will have to do the next steps. The first thing that you have to do is to have the answers for the exercise, the part number 1, that is the answers for these questions. I mean, what are your biggest personal goals in your life related to education, family, relationship, etc. Okay? So the first thing that you have to do is to answer that, and when you have that, you are going to pick some pictures about all of these aspects. For example, education. So what do you want to get or finish a career? So the idea is to, let's say, pick up some pictures about education. For example, I'm going to do it with my personal case. So I have some pictures about what I want to do in the education future. Okay, so the idea is to organize those pictures in a PowerPoint presentation, or could be a different presentation tool, for example Prezi, or for example Powtoon, I don't know. Well, but PowerPoint is very useful for this. Okay, so once you organize all the pictures of all your life goals, for example education, family, relationship, you will have a lot of slides here. So the idea now is that you download or go to this website. Don't worry, it's on the description on the Edmodo assignment. So the program that I recommend you for doing this is called screencast-o-matic.com. Okay, it's a screen recorder that will record on not only the screen of your computer but also your voice. It's the program that I am using right now for doing this video. Okay, is this program. So the idea is that you go here to this website and to create an account and launch the recorder. It's very easy to handle. Okay, it's not like complicated. What happened then? All right, so once you have the program running, okay, once you have the program running, the idea is that you start like talking about what you have in the presentation. I mean, talking about the pictures, but also answering the questions. For example, the first question is, do you want to get or finish a career? Do you want to study a job-related subject like cooking or mechanics? So the idea is to talk about that. For example, I'm going to do it. Sorry for that dog. It's not mine, but it's a neighbor dog. Okay, so we are in the presentation, in the PowerPoint presentation. So I am going to start recording the example right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, what I want to do in education goals for my future is first to finish the master program I am studying right now, that is called Maestría en Educación Mediada por las TIC. Then I want to go to study abroad. For example, could be in England or in any British country, maybe England, why not? And in there I want to study a doctorate program, okay, maybe in education or in education related to technology. That is what I want to do. That is what I want to study in a near future. That is my education goal. Okay, so that is just an example of what you have to do. Talk about education, family, relationships, etc. All the elements that you have in these questions. Okay, so once you finish with that, you stop the recording. Okay, and that is the video that you have to upload it to Edmodo.